Hello, and welcome back to Mr. B Teaches History. Today's lecture will focus on the different foreign policy actions of the progressive president in our age of American imperialism at the turn of the 20th century. So let's get started. Roosevelt led the charge to get a canal dug through Panama after the French failed and the British gave up their claim to make the project a joint project in 1901. Though to start the project required permission from the Colombian government, which they refused, so the U.S. Navy helped a rebellion in Panama to succeed immediately. Panama then granted the United States rights over the zone that would encompass the canal. It took over 10 years to build the canal, with the chief problems being people dying from yellow fever by mosquitoes. This is an example of his big stick theory of aggressive foreign policy that would act boldly and decisively in situations. Both Americans and Central American nations did not like the tactics used to be built in the canal, which led to the payment of $25 million to Colombia. Roosevelt also established an extension of the Monroe Doctrine, which said that the United States would intervene in the Americas rather than let Europeans gain a foothold there. This was used to send the military to many Central American nations. Roosevelt also negotiated many conflicts between other nations and participated in a conference to discuss the rules for limiting warfare. Roosevelt's successor used dollars more than sticks to get his way in foreign policy, but he did face growing anti-imperialist sentiment in the United States and overseas. He thought that private financial investment from American businesses would bring stability and promote American interests in those countries. He did intervene in Nicaragua's economy and sent Marines to protect American businesses in the country. Unfortunately, these policies did little to counteract the economic instability of the places where American businesses invested. Taft also tried to work with other nations in China to build railroads, but Russia and Japan ignored this tactic by building them themselves in the Manchurian province against the open door policy. Wilson ran the policies of Roosevelt and Taft with a moral approach to foreign activities. Wilson attempted to respect the rights of other nations, spread democracy, and took steps to correct wrongful policies of the past. In the Philippines, he supported the Jones Act to give them full territorial status, a Bill of Rights, voting rights, and independence with a stable government. He gave citizenship to all Puerto Rican citizens and limited self-government. He repealed the law that granted U.S. ships free passage on the Panama Canal. Lastly, he pushed for nations to submit disputes to the international commissions and wait at least 1 year before taking military action on those disputes. Wilson also used the military more than his predecessors, especially in Mexico. Wilson supported the revolutionaries there and sent the military to the southern border to pursue rebels under Pancho Villa in northern Mexico when they crossed our border. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or clarifications you would like to make about this lecture, please leave a comment below. If you learned something new, please consider leaving a like. If you would like to receive notifications of more content like this, please consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell. If you would like to support this channel and creator financially, please check out the links in the description for merchandise or sites that will provide me direct financial support for the work of this channel. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Class dismissed.